forgot I have to put the wiring harness in. I mean, this is a lot of wires just for the daggone door. Basically, I took a picture of it when I took it out to make sure I could put it back in exactly the same way. That's the smart thing to do. Always take a picture of stuff. See, you can tell these two go over here at the speaker area. See, this is what plugs into the car door. This is already in the car. This wire goes up in here, and that goes to the door lock, and then you glue this stuff down, or I'm going to tape it down. And then this stuff goes to the door handle part. This thing right here gets squeezed into there. Ugh. This one goes here. Yeah. This one. This is for the light that tells you the door is locked. And it just pops in up there. And these all just glue down. This guy goes down here. It opens the trunk. There's some buttons down in the console is what that's for. Ugh, there it goes. Okay, now car speaker wire is in the door. And I've got some serious duct tape that I'm going to use to connect this stuff back down here. That goes there. Yeah, damn, that's some serious duct tape. And that one goes there. This is to keep it, in order, so it doesn't get all in the way of stuff. Plus, this is going to help hold the panel to the car, to the door panel, you know what I mean. This guy goes down here. Okay, that should do it. And also on these pins, these things right here, when you take the door out, you'll probably have to pull this out. This has to be like that. When I took this panel off, they were all pressed in. I just drilled a hole, set it in there, and hit that with a hammer, and that pushed it out where it's supposed to be. And then you just do that. And when you put it back in the car, it goes in the hole, and when that goes in, it expands and holds it in place. All of those are out. As far as I know, everything is good. All right, I'm going to take this on out to the car. I'll take you out there too, just to make sure everything is kosher.